Hi, Joe Glavin with City Floor Supply. Today we're going to change the casters on an American Sander 7R edger. And we're going to reuse the spacer that's going to go between both of the shaft bearings. That's going to come with the edger, and that's going to allow us to ride free on the bearing. If you don't have that spacer, you're going to need to order it. But your edger, if the caster's spinning correctly, then you have it in there. 7/16.
7/16.
So essentially he's taking the shaft or bolt out. All right, so that's the spacer I was referring to earlier. You definitely need to have that in there so that the caster spins. Otherwise it'll bind up on these stem bearings. So the orientation is that protruding part of that bearing journal is going to come to the top, the head of the shaft, and it's going to be the exact opposite on the bottom, like that. And we're just going to repeat that on the other side. 7/16 wrench, take the shaft out. We're going to reuse the spacer. And that's it. As far as adjusting the casters for aggressiveness of cut and flatness of cut, we're going to take our plate. We use an aluminum plate in the shop. That's going to give you an idea of where the cut is, and you can see daylight through there. You'll be able to see where the pad is cutting. That's all adjusted by the casters. So we're going to have Miguel show you how the casters change the geometry of the cut. By the adjustment here, we have a retaining nut, and then the caster bracket is threaded, which will allow us to adjust the caster up and down. And see how that comes down on that side, and then how we bring it up. You know, and there's like, every machine is a little different. We'll start off making sure that the cut is smooth, and then we'll adjust it. Continue to make sure the adjustment is smooth. If you have any questions with regard to changing out casters on the 7R edger, you can give us a call at 800-737-1786. If you'd like to order the casters, you can certainly go to cityfloorsupply.com, click on edgers and parts. It'll take you right there.